welcome to day 20. Today's a Sunday, as you know. If you looked at the calendar, I don't know. And we are on prep day for our last 10 days. I have finished, I did this earlier in the week, but I finished applying our appliques to all of our squares for our ghoulie guys. Super cute. And I finished weaving in all the ends for our appliques and squares for our second 10 days. So I am going to wash and block everything. I'm out of breath because I just walked up the stairs and I did Pilates yesterday and I'm in pain. So if I sound like I'm dying, it's because I am a little bit. Anyway, we are going to wash, rinse. What is the word? My brain is dead. We are going to block. That's the word. We're gonna block all of these. We're doing a Costco trip today, so I'm going to prep these for blocking. We're gonna get these blocking, and then we're gonna go to Costco. Hopefully by the time we get back, they'll be dry. I'm gonna do the same trick that I did. My kids are fighting. I'm gonna do the same trick that I did last time. I'm gonna prep these all. I'm gonna line them up in front of the fan. We're gonna leave the fan on them for like a couple hours while we're out of the house. And then hopefully they will be dry this evening. So that way I can come back here with you. We can start adding some appliques to our squares. I have a fun idea for this and I will tell you when they're ready for it. But we're gonna add our appliques, and then hopefully our new video from AltKnots will be up so we can see what our last applique is going to be and get started on our last 10 days. I'm excited. This has been really fun. I hope you've had fun too. I hope you have been doing this along with me. If you have, I'm really excited. Please feel free to like tag me in your stuff on Instagram if you're showing it. I would love to see it. Also tag AltKnots, obviously, if you haven't done that. But this has been really fun. I'm really enjoying it, and I'm really excited for this blanket to be done. My first ever, surprisingly, my first ever granny square blanket. So this has been really cool. Anyway, let's get blocking. All right, ignore the very high fan sounds. I'm hoping that this will dry in the next few hours, but we've got 9 of them here, or the granny squares anyway, and then 1 here just because I needed a little bit of space. So let's give you a little room between, a little space between the layers. Anyway, and then we've got all of our appliques, and hopefully they'll dry in the next few hours. We'll see. We can hope. See what happens. Do your work, fan. Hello. I'm back. I don't remember the last thing I said to you. So, so we're starting over? I don't know. Anyway, I wanted to give you my final recap, my final update on days 10 through 20. I have everything dried. I think I showed you that. Is that where we were? I'm losing it. Everything is dry, and I have started placing all of my appliques on my squares. And I think I mentioned this before, that I had a cute idea, a clever idea, to maybe just myself, for our planchets. I have decided that I'm gonna place the planchet on our square in slightly different locations, because, you know, you move them. And I think it's funny. So all of them are gonna be in slightly different spots on all of the squares. This is my last one. And then we have our really cute ones. I have 3 more that I'm still working on. And I will finish those up now. And then we're gonna be moving on to days, the last 10 days. Days 21, which is today, through the 31st. We will be kind of putting everything together on the 31st. So I am prepping all of my squares. I want them to be as done as possible to make it as easy as possible on me on that day, on Halloween, to be able to put this whole blanket together. Let me give you a quick reminder of the colors. Okay, so quick reminder. We are doing our, what is this called? This one was called, I don't remember. This one was called Messenger. I remember that. So it's like, what color is this? It's black, black, blue, and purple. It's dark in my room. I'm not turning any more lights on, so enjoy. And then I forgot what this purple one was called. It's somewhere. Oh, hold on. I started a yarn notebook for all of my specialty yarns. This one is Ritual. I knew that. Anyway, here are our colors. Ritual and Messenger. So our purple and our black, blue, and purple. Cute. Okay, anyway. Yes, those are the ones we're going with. And our final applique is a witch's hat. I've worked up one so far. This is in the Messenger color. So this one is gonna look like this. Which is cute. Here. There you go. A little better light. I'm not gonna leave that light on my face though, because I'm it's hurt my eyes. Anyway, so yeah, that's where we are. I'm excited. It's coming together. It's gonna look so cute. So we've got our little cup of spirit ghoulie guys, and we've got our little planchet. How can I show you all of these together? Don't know if I can. Just look at them. Coming out so cute. I'm very excited. Let me show you. Let me clean up my desk. Look, a little sneak peek. This is what our blanket's gonna look like. With, of course, we have, you know, more alternating colors that you don't see this one yet, but this is the palette. This is the palette. It looks so cute. I'm very excited to put it all together. It's gonna be such a soft freaking blanket because all of this yarn is so stinking soft after, especially after like washing and blocking these. These are so soft now. Oh, I love it. I love the way it's looking. All right, friends, so that's the update. I hope you like how this is coming out so far. I'm really enjoying doing this project. I hope you, if you are joining along in the project and you're doing it too, I hope you're having a great time. And this is giving you something to look forward to every day. It's definitely giving me something to look forward to. Even though I feel maybe a little overwhelmed because I've never done a project like this before, it's coming out really well. So I'm having a good time. And I think the end product is going to be a really great memory and something great to have at my house. So really excited about it. Thanks so much for being here and thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I actually was accepted into the YouTube partner program today as I'm recording this. So thank you so much to you for, you know, watching this. If you're a subscriber of mine, you have helped me get here. So thank you so much. My computer just turned off. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and I will see you again in my next video pretty soon.